and welcome to another tutorial here. Today we're going to be learning about knit two together and SSK. Now these are very common decrease abbreviations in knitting patterns that you're pretty likely to come across. So for knit two together, this one is kind of exactly as it says on the tin, where you take the next two stitches on the left hand needle and you knit as normal, but you go into the second stitch and out through the first stitch, just like that, and then wrap around your needle as normal and bring it through as normal as well. So there is your knit stitch, your knit two together, and as you can hopefully see, it's a right leaning decrease. Now SSK is a left leaning decrease, so if I knit one stitch here and then I will knit an SSK, so you can see the difference. So for the SSK, I'm going to slip the first stitch knitwise. So I'm going in front to back and just slipping it off onto my right hand needle. I'm going to do exactly the same with the second stitch here. And then I'm going to take my needle and go through both of those stitches like this, and I'm going to just come round and knit them together here. So if you look at this one, here is my right leaning knit two together, and here is my left leaning SSK. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the button to like and subscribe.